Well, hello there, and good evening, everyone. I'm William Brantley from the North Jackson, Tennessee area, near Westtown Commons Shopping Center on Walker Road at University Village Apartments, getting ready to share with you today's climate summary and give you a forecast for the next few days shortly. Boy, we had a beautiful day today. Very nice and pleasant for summertime. It felt almost like fall. But we got a few more weeks before we get to fall season, though. But it felt real good today, and we probably got at least a couple of more to enjoy before it slowly starts warming back up again. Well, alrighty, I'll go ahead and read to you today's climate stats, and then I'll give you the regular graphs that I show you and take it from there. Alrighty. I'll go back to 5 o'clock. I am running a little late tonight, but better late than not at all, I guess. As of 5 o'clock, and even now it's probably almost mostly clear, but as of 5 o'clock it was about partly cloudy here in North Jackson. The temperature at that time was 85 degrees. Boy, that's a nice change by itself. Like it was 90 degrees yesterday at 5 o'clock. So it's already dropped at least 5 degrees for the 5 p.m. temperature. There was maybe a heat index of 86, maybe. Very insignificant. The dew point was 63 degrees at 5 o'clock. The humidity was 48%. The wind was out of the northeast at 15, with gusts to 21 miles per hour. That's helping tremendously on the feels like temperature. And the barometric pressure was 29.95 inches of mercury. Today's low temperature was 72 degrees. Now that may be a little cooler by midnight, but right now it's 72 will be the low. 87 was today's high. How about that? We had a high below 90 degrees. How about that? And it was expected. About 86 was expected, or 87. That's real close there. The heat index today, by the way, was 88 degrees at 2 p.m. Felt like 88 degrees in the sun, about 88 degrees in the shade, and about 98 degrees in the sun at 2 p.m. I told you there's a chance that we might have heat indexes at or even below 90 degrees, and will probably be the same way tomorrow and maybe Monday before it slowly starts going back the other direction once again. So it turned out to be a very beautiful day. Unbelievable. Heat index below 90 degrees. After the past 2 or 3 days when it's nearly 110 degrees, nice change there. Alrighty. The lowest, no rainfall, of course, since midnight here in North Jackson. 2.16 is the monthly total here for July. Probably wind up being the monthly total, probably. The yearly total sits at 30.54 here. Lowest relative humidity today was 45% at 4 p.m. That's a nice change. Remember yesterday at 5 o'clock, the humidity was 62%. Tonight it's 45%. So that's nearly a 20% drop. That alone helps the temperature feel a lot better. Again, they're 45% today at 4 o'clock. The highest humidity was 96% at 4 a.m. this morning. Lowest barometric pressure today was 29.86 inches, and that occurred at 12 a.m. through 4 a.m., while the highest would be 29.95 inches, and that occurred from 10 a.m. through 5 p.m. So we had several hours today when the barometric pressure was at 29.95 inches so far. Alrighty, and I'll go ahead and give you the highest wind gust. Highest wind gust today at the Jackson, Tennessee airport was 28 miles per hour out of the north at 3:30 p.m. And the thing that I did forget to mention to you a while ago when I gave you the 5 p.m. temperature of 85, I checked it shortly before I started this video, just a little before 8 p.m., and the temperature has already dropped down to 79 degrees as of about 8 p.m. So it's coming on down a little bit. Okay, now the sun will be setting tonight at 8:01 p.m. and be rising tomorrow morning at 6:02 a.m. Now the moon will be setting tonight at 12:08 a.m. tomorrow morning, shortly after midnight, and be rising tomorrow afternoon at 1:23 p.m. And by the way, it'll be setting tomorrow night, Sunday night, or early Monday morning at 12:41 a.m. And by the way, tomorrow afternoon and evening's moon will be the first quarter moon phase, which occurs tomorrow. Alrighty. Now I'll go ahead and give you all the records. I haven't done the records yet. Pardon me. Records for July 29th. Hottest high would be 105 degrees in 1952. The coolest high would be 78 in 1981. The warmest low would be 77 in 1999 and 2011. And the coldest low would be 60 in 1994. Today's rainfall record would be 2.25, 2¼ inches, and that fell in 2001. Alrighty, let me go ahead and move on and read the forecast for the next few days, and then I'll move on to my graphs that I normally show you. It's going to be mostly clear tonight. That's very obvious, thank goodness. It's going to be almost a cool, crispy morning in a way tomorrow morning. It's going to drop on down to about 62 degrees tomorrow morning. Remember, it was 72 this morning. It's going to be about 10 degrees cooler tomorrow morning. 62 degrees. High tomorrow about 88 degrees. That's going to be very similar to today's 87, I think it was, that we had today. Yeah, 87. It'll be about 88 tomorrow, maybe 1 degree warmer. It's still going to be very pleasant though. And the heat index will likely be right around 88 to 90. Okay, and the winds will be out of the northeast at about 10 to 20, so that part continues. And on Monday, it's going to be continued fair with a low near 62 and a high of 90 with northeast winds of 5 to 10 on Monday. Now, Tuesday is going to slowly start warming up with fair skies Tuesday, August the 1st, with a low near 65 degrees and a high of 90 with east winds of 5 to 10 miles per hour. And a little bit beyond that, I'll go ahead and go on through Thursday. It looks like by Wednesday, there's going to be fair skies till about noon, and then it's going to become very cloudy, and we have a 60% chance of some showers and thunderstorms till Wednesday night. Then the skies should become fair or partly cloudy at that time, right around sunset and after, with a low near 68, a high of 89, with southwest winds of 5 to 10. On Thursday, it's going to be very cloudy most of the day, with a 40% chance of some showers and thunderstorms till noon, remaining very cloudy till Thursday night, then becoming fair by sunset, with a low near 68 and a high of 89, with southwest winds of 5 to 10. And then finally on Friday, it looks like it's going to be very cloudy, with a 60% chance of some showers and thunderstorms till noon, then remaining very cloudy for the rest of the day, with a low near 68 and a high of 85, with west winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Okay, I'll let it go at that. If you'd like to have the complete 9-day forecast, which will take you through to August the 7th of August 7th, 2017. You can go to my forecast website at southjacksonweather.wordpress.com and read it there if you'd like to. Alrighty, on to tonight's frontal map graph, courtesy of Weather Underground. The map as of 7:51, that's maybe 20 minutes old. That's not too bad. I'll go ahead and turn the camera around so you can see it too. That cold front that moved through yesterday has become a stationary front to our south. And that's going to basically keep the weather the same here. Now you see it way on down south near the Gulf Coast. It stretches from a low pressure off of the Virginia coast. And it's a cold front to just about the North and South Carolina border, on through to south of us, on over to northern Texas, and it kind of dissipates at that point. That's really the only frontal systems near us, though. And then you see the other highs and lows around the parts of the country. The high pressure up there right around the southwest corner of Wisconsin. That's the one that's bringing us the cool weather to Tennessee today and tonight. Alrighty, let's move on to the local radar thanks to AccuWeather. I like AccuWeathers, and it's clear as a bell around here. All that you see around Memphis is what's known as ground clutter. I'm sure you've heard that phrases before, showing the echoes of tall buildings or whatever the radar might pick up that sends a reflection back to the radar. But there's not precipitation, it's just ground clutter. And it doesn't look like anything on the radar within really 100 miles or better in all directions of Memphis, and definitely clear in West Tennessee. Now you see a little close-up of Jackson. Of course, there's nothing here. Alrighty, let's move on to the satellite picture and radar combo, also thanks to AccuWeather. And as you see, the clouds down south, boy, Florida's pretty well cloudy, isn't it? Not a whole lot of rain going on, but pretty much cloudy down that area. Miami may be the only area that the sun might be shining just a little bit. Other than that, though, it's not too bad along the southern sections until you get down to the Gulf. My goodness, the Gulf Coast is cloudy today, my friends. And out toward the plain states, there's some scattered clouds, but anywhere near us and way on up to nearly Chicago, the skies are clear as a bell. Even my friend over near Raleigh, North Carolina, may have a few clouds nearby, but they'll probably clear out before too terribly long, maybe, or stay mostly cloudy, but maybe no more than a sprinkle over there. But here, it's clear as a bell. It looks beautiful, and it should stay that way all night tonight and again tomorrow. So I guess that's good news in that respect. Well, I guess that's it for tonight, everybody. I hope all of you have a very pleasant Saturday night, July the 29th of 2017. And I hope you wake up to a beautiful Sunday morning, July 30th of 2017. And hope to get a chance to talk to you again tomorrow night. If not, hopefully Monday night or Tuesday night at the latest, I hope. And until then, may God bless you, everyone, and sweet dreams.